Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to allow other calls on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. Now I make a call from my iPhone. As you can see, the call I made on my iPhone is also playing on the iPad. Once again, I will show you a call from my iPhone. Now you can see that the same call is running in iPad too. How to activate it, I will tell you. One thing to keep in mind here is that when you want to activate it, both the devices should have the same iCloud installed. Now let me show you how to activate it. Now open settings from your iPhone. Now scroll down this page. Now we can see that here you will see phone icon. Just tap on it. Now you can see here that it says calls on other devices, and next to it says that when the nearby. Just tap on it and turn on this toggle. Here let me tell you one thing, that this will work only when both your devices are close to each other. That's it, my friend. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get up to every new video. And if you need any kind of help regarding iPhone, then you can ask me in comments. Thank you guys so much for watching my video.